Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Eicher Motors shares turn into 13.27 crores today. Eicher Motors Incorporated in 1982. Eicher Motors Limited is the flagship company of Eicher Group. Their business is in two-wheeler segment Royal Enfield and four-wheeler segment in Commercial Vehicles Limited. Eicher Motors share price resumed from 4 in 2000 to rupees 3,200 in 2023. In 2000, current today 2024, the stock was trading at 5,310. Eicher Motors 10,000 INR investment growth. If you invest in 2000, Eicher Motors shares was trading at 4. The initial investment of 10,000, you will get 2,500 shares at the face value of 10. In 2020, the Eicher Motors give the stock split of 1:10 split ratio. If you hold one share, that share split into 10. So total number of shares, you will get 25,000 shares. So the face value come 10 to 1. The current trading price of Eicher Motors is 5,310. The total number of shares you hold is 25,000. The total current market value is 13 crores 27 lakh 50,000 INR. Eicher Motors dividends 25,000 shares into 51 INR. That was the dividend last 1 year that Eicher Motors was given. So total dividend of 12 lakh 75,000 INR. So can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Eicher Motors, you will not get return like this. Eicher Motors grew as a large cap company, but you have to find the future company like this. In the last 1 year, Eicher Motors shares given the return of 37.53%. In the last 5 years, Eicher Motors give the absolute return of 150% only. The average return for the last 5 years is 30.01% only. Keynotes. Earlier, few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Reliance, and Titan, etc. were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research. Invest into 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately. And hold other stocks will give the more possibility to give the return like this. That's it about this video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.